Now today guys, pag-usapan natin, it's a foldable. It's the Google Pixel Fold 5G. This is the very first foldable na nilabas ni Google just last year. And gusto ko i-share sa inyo yung experience ko dito for roughly mga 3 weeks ko nang gamit. And sulit nga ba siya as a daily driver. This one is being powered by Google Tensor G2. Meron siyang 5.8-inch screen sa labas and a 7.6-inch screen sa loob. 48MP triple camera lens dito sa likod. And a 4,820 mAh of battery. Pag-usapan natin. So wala na tayong unboxing today since nabili ko to ng walang box from UKDB Gadgets hanggang ng 12,256. It's currently priced at 41,000 pesos. And this is a second-hand phone and it looks really fresh. Halos good as new naman siya nung nakuha ko to. More information sa description box. Now, probably this is not the lightest na foldable na nahawakan ko. This is around 285 grams and medyo may kunting kabigatan siya. And one of the things naman na gusto ko sa kanya is pag-fold mo, flat na, saradong-sarado naman siya dito. And it's looking really good. Most again, nakuha naman yung experience of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Dati, hindi masyadong sasara maayos. This one, kita mo, saradong-sarado siya. Now, one thing na napansin ko sa kanya is pag binuksan mo siya, hindi siya straight line. May kunting V-shape siya. Kahit i-flex ko pa siya ng gusto, hindi na kaya. Hanggang ganito lang siya. But on the top side, maganda naman kanya hinge dito sa kanya. Wala kang masasalat dito, no? Unlike the other foldables. But yung kanyang crease dito is medyo visible pa siya, lalo kung medyo nailawan mo ng konti. And medyo nasasalat ko pa siya. Medyo malalim. And another thing is kanyang bezel is talagang masasalat mo siya. Hindi siya flat, no? Feeling mo parang medyo may kunting umbok siya away from the screen. Talagang parang may border siya. But one thing na gusto ko sa kanya is magandang kanyang camera module dito. It looks really nice and good. Now, this phone is being protected by a glass back finish, aluminum side frames, and a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus sa harap. Nung unang labas nito, it's Android 13. Right now, it's running Android 14. One thing na napansin ko sa kanya, UI, it's very smooth. Wala kang makikitang bloatwares dito. And one thing na gusto ko dito sa kanya is yung kanyang pagka-split screen. So, you can do something on this side and something on the other side. Lalo na ma-appreciate mo siya pag kinakalikot mo na kanyang settings. Ayan o. Now, this phone is being powered by the Google Tensor G2. And nung chinek ko to sa Antutu benchmark, nakakuha naman siya ng 788,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. And this is the breakdown score. 1,800 ka na loop score and ang kanyang stability, 70%. Ito ang score na kuha ko dito sa Geekbench, kanyang CPU benchmarking. And ito naman sa kanyang GPU benchmarking. Well, Tensors are really not known for their good thermal performance. So, medyo ready siya towards the end of my testing. And it throttled to 54% nga pala. Now, before I move any further, pansin nyo yung lumit na aking microphone this time around. And this time, gamit ko na si Lark M2 na wireless lavalier mic. It's pretty much a upgrade over do sa dating Lark Max na gamit ko, which this time, it's really small. Ito ang unboxing experience. So guys, quickly unboxing natin tong bagong mic ni Holy Land, si Lark M2. It's a very small na wireless lavalier microphone. Sabi ni Holy Land, you can use this either with your smartphone or with your DSLR. Here are some specs. Tabuksan natin. Inside, we have some user guide and manuals. Ito yung kanyang charging case na. I would say na yung kanyang charging case is a lot smaller compared to sa Lark Max na gamit natin. No? Almost half its size. And it's thinner, lightweight. Ito medyo mas mabigat pa siya. No? Pagbukas mo sa kanya, you have 2 microphones over here and 1 receiver. And nandito sa likod ang kanyang charging port. Meron ka rin receiver dito na pang smartphone. So meron ka rin receiver dito na pang smartphone. Meron siyang lightning na pin dito or meron siyang Type-C pin. Siyempre meron din siya konting mga accessories dito. Meron siyang mga wind muff, mga magnet clips, lanyards, 3.5mm audio cable pang DSLR, and a Type-C cable. Walang charging brick lang. Now, ganito kaliit na siya ngayon, no? And it's a button size, really small, and pwede may magnet clip siya sa likod. I love the way it is, ha? Sobrang liit niya. As compared sa akin Lark Max, it looks like this. Medyo mas mabigat siya, no? And this one, pag kinakapit mo siya yung collar, sometimes medyo parang naging saggy ang yung collar kasi medyo may pagkamabigat siya. So, this one would definitely gets the job done. Kasi alit niya, oh. And probably medyo awkward to pag hawakan mo tong with your hands na ganito, no? While you're talking. So, it's best pag nakasabit to sa yung collar. Ito pwede pa eh. Pwede pa hawakan mo pa siyang malaking microphone. But this one is definitely too small para hawakan. Medyo awkward lang siyang tingnan. And another improvement sa likod is ito, may logo na ng Holy Land. Ito, wala pa. And in this video, probably will be using this one as my main daily driver na mic moving forward. And what's nice is meron din siya pang Type-C. So, pwede ko kabit dito sa aking Google Pixel Fold. And pwede ko nang gamitin itong microphone outright. Now, one thing to love about yung screen na dito is gamit ko naman siya both sa loob and sa labas. Yung sa labas siya, meron siya 5.8-inch na OLED display na may 120Hz of screen refresh rate and it has a maximum brightness of 1,500 nits. While sa loob naman, meron siya 7.6-inch na foldable OLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate and maximum brightness niya 1,450 nits. So both inside and outside the screen, you can use it directly under the bright sunlight, walang problema. And pansin ko dito, mas gamit ko yung screen on the inside. Probably scrolling on socials, doing multitasking, and on one side nanonood ako ng YouTube and on the other side nasa-scroll ako sa Facebook. And it's very useful. Now, this screen is nice and punchy. I love the way it is. And mga display ni Google is probably one of the better ones out there in the market. So if you're enjoying your favorite videos on YouTube, I'm pretty sure mag-enjoy ka dito. Very bright ang kanyang display, punchy ang kanyang colors, and this one also supports level 1 na wipe and security level. At on the outside, pansin ko medyo mas pandak siya ng kundi dito sa kanyang display. And probably you'll be using this mostly on socials and probably doing some quick text messaging, making some calls dito on the outside. But if you want a better experience, use the screen on the inside. Now for this phone, I played 3 games: Call of Duty Mobile, Firelight 84, and Genshin Impact. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, the gameplay was really nice. And mas ginamit ko yung screen on the inside for gameplays. And ang sarap naman maglaro dito dahil malaki ang kanyang display. And it's just simply perfect for shooting games. And pagdating naman sa Firelight 84, this game was also good. Probably one of the things na ma-appreciate mo dito sa kanya is lalo na kung gumagamit ka ng sniper scope is that magandang kanyang point of view. And the gameplay was okay, smooth, minimal frame drops along the way kahit sinagan natin kanyang maximum graphical settings. And one thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya is better ang kanyang field of view thanks to its bigger screen. Probably one thing na hindi ko naman gusto dito sa kanya is mainit siya at around mga 47 degrees Celsius dito sa Firelight 84. Genshin Impact, equally said, pagdating naman sa best graphical settings dito sa kanya, mafe-feel mo there's a little bit of throttling dito na nangyayari and lag dahil siguro si G2 is medyo hirap siya sa Genshin Impact or probably hindi ganun ka-optimize for gaming. And playing this for 30 minutes, there are quite some irritable na frame drops along the way, so you have to lower down graphical settings mo to make it better. And mainit din siya at around mga 48 degrees Celsius. Now, right now, pag-usapan na natin ng cameras. 48MP na main camera sensor with OIS. It also has a 10.8MP na telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, 10.8MP na ultra-wide lens with a 121 degrees na field of view. This one can shoot you up to 4K and 60. Pagdating naman sa selfie camera, yung sa loob 8MP and yung sa labas is a 9.5MP na front-facing camera which can both shoot you up to 4K and 60. Now, trying some outdoor shot dito using the Pixel Fold and taking some look at this one. Masasabi ko sa inyo, one of the good things about mga cameras ni Pixel is maganda, natural mga shots niya, and it really looks really nice and sharp. And kita natin dito sa mga petals na ito, all of the details is really nice and intact. Yung kanang color is not even saturated. And another flower shot dito, once you zoom it in, you see all of the nitty-gritty details dito sa kanya is very much intact. And yung mga greens niya dito is pretty nice and not saturated the way I like it. And even taking some simple shots sa sahig ng mga nakakalat na dahon, I would say it's quite good and dramatic. Further, taking in some greens looks nice and makita mo yung background blur niya is also okay. Very smooth tingnan sa mata dahil pop out ang kanyang subject and magandang kanyang pagka-background blur. Kung medyo nilaro mo rin ka ng camera, you'll be able to get some dramatic shot like this. Now, if you try some indoor low light, makukuha mo talaga ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-focus sa subject, no? And equally nice yung kanyang pagka-background blur, giving yung subject a pop-out na effect. Parang ganda, may pagka-3D. And closing in some shots like this, pag zoom in mo, probably pag-focus ko lang, no? Medyo nag-blur out. Pero overall, this shot should be good. Pero dito naman, sa shot na ito, okay siya. Sharp pa rin siya kahit medyo malayo. Now, on low light situation, makita mo maganda yung kanyang pagka-capture dito sa mga shots na ito. And that's the way I like it. And on this shot, makita mo ang ganda ng details dito sa kanyang design. Na kung mahilig ka naman sa maraming colors na shot, this camera was able to take in equally nice dito sa Carousel Creamery. Tinan mo mga shots na ito. Looks really nice. And honestly, I really love the way yung kanyang pagka-capture sa mga photos dito sa loob ng shop. Kita nyo, ang ganda. Very sharp. Pati itong ilaw na ito really looks nice. And pati pag-focus sa ice cream also looks pretty good. Kung medyo nasa low light situation ka naman and taking some shots like this, makita mo sobrang sharp, no? Ganda ng mga pictures na nakaka-capture dito sa Pixel Fold. Now, let's talk about some selfie shot. Honestly, most of the selfie shots na nakuha ko dito are really nice. And most of the time, I'm using the camera on the outside. Madalang kong gamitin yung inside, no? So probably maybe gagamitin ko na siya for vlogging. These are some of the shots na nakuha ko using the outside camera ng Pixel Fold, which is nice and really sharp. Love the way it is. Ito naman is captured using the inside camera ng Pixel Fold. And tinry ko rin gamitin ng kanyang portrait shot. okay din ang kanyang pagka-background blur using the inside camera. Now, if you're using the front-facing camera pang vlog, this is from the outside. Okay, stable ang kanyang camera, sharp ang kanyang video na nakaka-capture dito using it at 4K. Now, if you're using naman the rear camera to take a video at 4K, this is the resolution you're getting. Ang smooth niya, one thing na napansin ko, and yung camera resolution is sobrang sharp. One of the things na ma-appreciate mo dito sa Google Pixel Fold 5G. So right now, magsa-sound check lang tayo quickly dito. Pakinggan na natin. This one has dual speakers. Isa sa taas, sa baba. Let's see. Well, malakas ang kanyang sound sa pag sinagad mo siya ng 100%. Ang battery size nito is a 4,820 mAh and it can support PD 3.0, meaning it can support up to 100 watts of fast charging. So since wala naman siyang kasamang charger sa loob ng kanyang box, you can buy either Anker or Ugreen na may PD 3.0 support, lalo mga kanilang mga GAN chargers. Na alam na natin si Google medyo matakaw sa battery. Now, based sa aking experience sa mga Pixel phones, sa mga battery na hirap, no, it would hardly last you for the whole day of usage. Well, same din dito sa foldable. It could barely last me for a whole day, lalo kung gamit mo yung screen sa loob. And nung sinalang ko naman siya sa battery stress test dito, on the inside, it was able to give me 11 hours and 19 minutes na screen on time. Based sa aking testing, on 50% brightness and 60 Hz of screen refresh rate. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Google Pixel Fold 5G? Honestly, this foldable is really good. I would say na probably it separates itself from the other foldables dahil pag open mo ng screen niya, you can easily use yung kanyang pagka-split screen, which makes it really good and very useful. And probably one thing na hindi ko masyado gusto sa kanya is medyo mas shorter siya as compared sa mga normal na smartphone size, which medyo nabibitin ako when I'm using this screen on the outside. It's even smaller than a 6.1-inch na iPhone 15. Now, for a 40,000 pesos phone, is this phone worth it for 2024? Well, I would say it's a really good experience in terms of foldables. Lalo kung mahilig ka man ng mga videos, if you want to do multitask, this is one good phone na pwede nyo i-experience, si Google Pixel Fold 5G. And I would recommend it to you as long as i-check mo siya mabuti bago mo siya bilhin, since this is not a brand new, this is second hand. Just do some routinary checks dito sa kanya, yung lalo mga aesthetics niya, dahil this one came really fresh sa akin. So I'm really happy naman dito sa binili ko sa UKDD Gadgets. No? Of course, if you want to know kung saan nyo pwede build to phone nito, link on the description. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Lark M2 na experience ko? Honestly, this is probably one of the smallest na mic na I've ever had kasi sobrang liit niya. It's just a button size dito. It's easy to clip it here sa aking collar. It's easy to put it to my interviewer. Magnet na rin siya sa likod. Hindi mo na kailangan i-clip sa inyong collar. And another thing, it's easy to use on iPhone and Android devices. If you're also interested, link on the description. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And sub to this channel. It's definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.